What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 series smartphones will not receive sub-screen cameras. The lineup is expected to include the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to the latest rumors, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 series of smartphones will not feature under-screen camera technology. It is reported that all smartphones in the lineup will be equipped with screens with holes for a selfie camera. The lineup is expected to include the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra models. And the network has new details regarding the latest features, display size, battery capacity, camera configurations, new chipset, and so much exciting stuff. Please watch the full video content. According to the latest report, the Samsung Galaxy S22 will have a 6.06 or 6.1 inches display. The Galaxy S22 Plus will have a 6.55 or 6.66 inches display, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra will come with a 6.8 or 6.81 inches display. The Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will have a plastic bag, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a gloss bag. The under-screen camera technology found in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Therefore, Samsung will refuse to use it in its main flagship line. The next generation of the sub-screen camera is likely to debut on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 next year. According to available data, the next S-series flagships are rumored to have support for 65 watts fast charging. The Galaxy S22 Ultra may come with a 200 megapixel 5-module camera co-built with Olympus. According to another version, the main sensor will be 108 megapixel. The S22 triple camera is expected to include 50 megapixels, 12 megapixels and 12 megapixel image sensors, as well as telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Sources in the South Korea have announced that the Exynos 2200 SoC version of the Galaxy S22 will be available in South America and Europe. In addition, negotiations are currently underway for the appearance of this version in the United States and China through some cellular operators. The Snapdragon 898 version will be available in South Korea, Hong Kong, India, and Southeast Asia. The exact launch date and the price of these smartphones are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.